Wow. I'm missing the mobile EAS because I'm on the Jackson here. I'm looking at this here.
The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Covington County in southeastern Mississippi, southeastern Jefferson Davis County in south central Mississippi until 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:25 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mount Olive to near Collins to near Bunker Hill, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
70 miles an hour
Source,
moving? Wow.
Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Collins around 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Sanford around 2:45 p.m. Central Standard
Current time.
Other locations impact.
What? My audio alerts are not even on. That's weird. Hey, where did my weather tune app go? Sorry guys, I don't know what happened. Oh yeah, my sound thingy's messed up.
Central Standard Time for the following counties in Mississippi, Covington, and Jefferson Davis.
There goes the tones. Okay.
A tornado warning remains in effect until 3:15 p.m.
Cancels marine warning. How come?
Smith County. At 2:25 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Taylorsville, or 11
Oh, it
miles
moved out of the
east
area no
moving
longer.
east at 55 miles
Close
per
it.
hour.
Okay, there we are.
Hazard,